You know that moment when you hear an amazing song playing, maybe in a cafe, a movie, or someone's car, and you're like, "What's this song?" Well, today, I'll show you the best free app that can instantly identify any music around you, within seconds. It's fast, accurate, and completely free to use. Let's jump right in. The app we're talking about is Shazam. Yes, the legendary music recognition app that's been around for years. But most people don't know how powerful it really is today. Shazam listens to just a few seconds of the song and matches it with its massive music database, covering millions of tracks from all over the world. In less than 5 seconds, you'll see the song title, artist, album, and even lyrics scrolling in real time. But here's the cool part. Shazam doesn't need to stay open to work. With Auto Shazam, you can let it run in the background, and it will automatically identify songs playing around you, even if your phone is locked. Imagine sitting in a restaurant, and later your phone shows you every single track that played during dinner. That's magic! It also integrates perfectly with Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music. Once a song is identified, you can tap one button to open it directly in your favorite music app. No need to search manually. And if you're offline, don't worry, Shazam saves the audio fingerprint of the song and identifies it once your internet connection is back. There's also a built-in visual Shazam feature. You can scan posters, ads, or even QR codes that contain Shazam tags and instantly get details like trailers, artist info, or playlists. It's not just for sound anymore, it's a full entertainment discovery tool. So next time you hear a song you love but don't know its name, just Shazam it. It's free, super accurate, and available on Android, iPhone, Mac, and even Apple Watch. Never miss a great song again. Download Shazam today and let your phone recognize the music of your life. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.